Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's mstack tutor once again. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to go about getting 5-star positive review on Fiverr. Alright, so if you are new to Fiverr and you find it difficult to get a 5-star review or your first review on Fiverr, this video is best for you. Based on what I'm going to show you in this video, if you do it very well, you're going to get a review without any penalty from Fiverr team or whatever. No, normally Fiverr terms and conditions are very strict, but with the help of this video I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you how you can get a positive 5-star review without spending money trying to buy review from your friends or from a group, stuff like that. And I'm also going to leave on the description bar the template I'm going to use in this video today. So after watching this video, you can download my templates here and modify it and use for your own reference. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can get a 5-star review. I'm going to show you proof that this actually works and you can actually apply the same thing and get a 5-star review. See you guys on my computer screen. Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see right now, we are on our Fiverr platform or dashboard. This is my account, one of my accounts I opened in 2019. Though not really active, I've not been using it for a while, and my other account, my main account, was suspended due to, or let me say was terminated due to multiple accounts. So I just have to open this account for the purpose of this video. I actually did this video January, and I was kind of occupied to upload it to my channel, but today I decided to upload it. So okay, so let me show you guys how you can get a Fiverr review without violating Fiverr law. So I'm going to go straight to the point without wasting much of your time. And I believe you all know that buying review from Fiverr is against Fiverr terms and conditions. Once Fiverr discover that, they're going to terminate your account. All right, so it's assumed or it's said not to buy a review on Fiverr platform. Even if you want to do that, you should do that being so careful, right? And so I'm going to show you how you can get this review without violating Fiverr law. Okay, so once I'm done, check the description below. You're going to get a text format of what we're going to use in this video today. So as you can see here, this is the format I use. So this is like a tip I'm going to give you today, and this is what I use to get my Fiverr review without begging for clients to or without asking them directly for a review. Because if you do this, if you ask them directly for a review, Fiverr is going to terminate your account. Don't ask your customer, tell them to give you a review. Don't do that. You're going to do that technically in a polite way. So as you can see, I just read what I wrote here to my client. This is another I got I think on the 26th of January 2021, or just a recent stuff. So it says there, thank you for your order, your delivery is attached. If there's any problem, please do let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you are satisfied with my work, I would be sincerely grateful if you have a kind appreciation so other potential buyers can see testimony to my skills. Thanks again and have a great day. So this is what I do to get review. As you can see, if you go through here, I didn't ask him to give me a review, as in I didn't go straight asking him for a review. I say here, this is it. Let's go back again. Thanks for your order, your delivery is attached. If there's any problem, please do let me know. The second line here says, if you are satisfied with my work, I will be sincerely grateful if you leave a kind appreciation. Do not use the word review, and don't mention the word customer when you are doing something like this, because if you mention these two words I just said now, your account will be terminated by Fiverr teams. All right, so don't do that. Don't ever you go straight asking your customer or your client for a review. Something like, hey, your order is here, or I've delivered the order, please give me a review or give me a feedback. Don't do that. Just be polite on how you ask for review. So like I said, check the description below. If you do this, you're gonna get, if you use this format here, you're gonna get a 5-star or 4-star review. I actually got a 4-star review from this client here. So this is the person, so you can see this is his name here, and this is the review he gave me after I asked him for a review indirectly. So if you look here, he said he was prompt, professional, and gave a detailed projection of the result to be expected. So this is what I sent to him when I delivered the order. This is actually a small order, so it's not that big. It's just like $44 order. So as you can see here, it said this is what he asked me to do. He said I should rank for his website for fibroid, diabetes, asthma supplements, stuff like that. Okay, so this is what I did after I delivered my my gig. This is my gig here. After I delivered the work to the client, so I attached a feedback asking for review. Read this, read it. Go to my description below. Do not forget to modify it to your own taste. Don't just use this my exact format, because if you do this, Fiverr is going to suspect and they might terminate your account. So just do something like this, make it a little bit more better, or you can change some word, or just do something this similar. If you do it, I'm sure you're gonna get either 5-star review or 4-star review, depending on what you give to your clients. So most time, if you deliver a poor job, you're gonna get a poor review. And most clients don't even know they have to give a review. But when you do this, you're trying to remind them that okay, there's actually a boss that allows you to give a review to your person offering job for you. All right. So be very careful when doing this, because Fiverr is smart. If you think you're smarter than Fiverr, they're gonna show you that you know nothing. If you do this, you're gonna get a 5-star review. Thank you guys, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do that right now. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get update whenever I drop the video that has to do with Fiverr, SEO, how to affiliate marketing, and so many more. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.